Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today we are doing a luxury DIY rose box. I was initially going to do it for Valentine's Day, but it was too late. But I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm using only dollar store items, so listen, only like a $7 project, so you guys can definitely recreate it if you want and make cute rose boxes around your house. Also, it's a perfect thing to give as a gift, so definitely try that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to give it a huge thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel for more luxury DIYs, more fun and glam DIYs to come, and I'll love you guys forever if you do. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. All you're going to need for this project is some ribbon. All this is from the dollar store. Some dollar store ribbon. This is a heart design, which I found really cute. I wasn't sure if I should go for bigger or smaller than this, but I think this is a perfect size and a cute style. Then I have my styrofoam. This is from a dollar store as well. It's called floral foam. And then I have my bucket. You're going to need something round or square just to give that kind of illusion of the look that we're going for. And it has a top for it, so you can cover your flowers if you want. Then you're going to need some roses. I might go downstairs and get some more because I have a few more as well, but I have them in pink. I don't have them all in red. I have pink ones and I have also some white ones, so I might go and get those. But for right now, I am going to use the red ones. I'll probably go get some more. So I will be adding these pink and white roses to my box as well, and I'm really excited because I love the variety of color, and it's just going to make it a little bit different. Then we have some black poster board paper to cover up the box that we're going to be designing. And some scissors, which is a necessity. And I'm going to go for this design here for the front of my rose box. I was going to go for this one, but it's a little too big. So you might not want to cut your paper into a angle like I did. You might just want to cut it straight. But I was just trying a technique. But for the most part, just cut it straight and it should be fine. So I just used tape to tape down the black paper to the box because I didn't have any hot glue. But tape works just as fine. So I'm not expecting my box to be perfect. It's not going to come out like the actual real rose box. This is all for fun, and I'm just doing this as a DIY to show you guys that you can do your own rose box at home too. So the stems of these flowers are made out of wire. So you want to use wire cutters for cutting these flowers. Do not do what I did by using regular scissors because they will mess up. So be sure to pick up some wire cutters at your local Home Depot. So I'm making sure to place each flower around the box on an angle, just so I can make sure that all the gaps are filled and the box is nice and full with the flowers.